your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my July Boxycharm Premium. So if you want to see what I received in my Boxycharm Premium for the month of July, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm super excited because I just got my Boxycharm Premium for the month of July in the mail, and I also got my Boxycharm box and my Ipsy Glam Plus box. And if you haven't seen that video, I have that linked up above. But yes, I got them all on the same day, so it's just like Christmas. So yes, if you do not know what Boxycharm Premium is, Boxycharm Premium is a monthly subscription box where you pay $35 a month and you get 6 to 7 full-size products that value over $175. So I'm very excited to see what's inside this box, and it feels heavy. So let's get started. I brought my handy dandy scissors, and we're gonna get this box open. So let's get her open, and hopefully she's easy and not hard. There we go. So when you open the box, let's see. Ooh, it says Hello Charmer. And it says Boxycharm Premium, and then it has their social medias at the top for like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and all of that. So we're going to go on and set this down. And ooh, I just noticed the box kind of matches my little background right now. Hey, super cute. Didn't plan that. But yes, so here is the stock card, and this month's theme is Sunshine. There you go. And I really do like the car. Reminds me of the beach and pink lemonades and so forth. And the variation that I got is 59. So let's get into this box. Ooh. So first up, I see is the Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Collection. Super, super cute. I got some products from them before, so I'm super intrigued. So let's go on and open this and see what's inside. So yes, so it is some very pretty packaging. Look at that, nice and gold. Already got fingerprints on her. And let's open her up. And yes, it does come with a mirror, and I'm gonna block the mirror so you guys don't get blinded. And these are the colors, and it comes with a little brush, and these are some really pretty colors. They're very neutral, so I'm a very neutral gal, so this is very cute. And I do like this pop of, like, it's a brown and this green, so I'm very intrigued, and yeah, to play with this and see how it goes. So this was nice to get, and let's see how much this was. So the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Face Kit. It says, bombshells, get ready for your close-up with Brow Bar by Reema's Hollywood Icon Face Kit and Drama Queen. Each palette comes with a bronzer, translucent powder, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlighter, 4 shades of eyeshadow, and a brush. A complete look every day to go, all in a beautiful golden compact, and it's $45. Oh wow, I did not know that those were blushes. I thought they were all eyeshadows, and some pans were just bigger, so okay. I do see that these can be highlight. Ooh. I do see that these two could be highlight shades, but I don't really see, like, I mean, like, you know, highlight like in glow, but not like lightening under the eye or anything. So yeah, I don't really see a bronzer in here for me, but it may work for somebody else. But I would definitely use all of these as eyeshadows, okay? And I did see some blush colors in there, but I probably wouldn't use them, so we'll see. So next up, this is by Nelson Beverly Hills. It's the Moisturizing Healing Mask. It is the Argan Oil 7 formula, delivers a combination of multi-benefits. It says it detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body. This sounds interesting. I'm going to have to look at the ingredients on the back to see if this has any silicones or anything in there. And off the bat, I don't see anything right off the bat that says, silicone. But, there's other words that mean silicone. So I got to look that up. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not, because it does sound interesting. But if it does have silicone in it, I will not be using it, and I'll just put it in a giveaway for one of you guys that don't mind silicone. But for me, I do mind. So I've been checking out the ingredients back on the back of the bottles. So this one, I'm not entirely too sure yet, but I'm gonna put this to the side because it may go in a giveaway. And the Nelson's Beverly Hills Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask is retailing for $24. Okay, so that's not bad, but I'm definitely going to research and see if there's any silicone in there. So just check out the description box and I'll let you guys know if there is silicone in that. Okay, so the next item we have is by Byroe, New York. It is a Bitter Green Essence Toner. Okay, and you can never have too many toners. So it says the Bitter Green Essence Toner is a conditioning treatment toner that saturates the skin with hydration and purifying green ingredients that help smooth the texture of the skin and protect against dehydration. Okay, and you just use it like a normal toner, and you can apply daily or nightly. Okay, let's open this up and see. This looks really, really nice. And ooh, it is green. And if you look at that, it you know, a toner is liquidy, but it does kind of have like this, it looks like a thick jelly going on in there. So let's see, is it water? Oh yeah, it's not, as you see, it is liquidy, but it's more like a liquidy gel, which is different because even in here it kind of has like a jelly consistency. Yeah, I think I may like this, and I like the scent. So I'm definitely going to try this out and see how it does on my face. Right now I'm using the Ordinary Glycolic Toner, but I may like use this in the morning time because I only use that one at night. So yeah, this is nice to have. And it says that the Byroe, I said it wrong, Byroe, not Byroe, it's Byroe, not Byroe. I'm not entirely too sure. You guys can correct me in the comments section because y'all know I'll be bad at these names. But it says the Bitter Essence Toner retails for $95. So $95, and I paid $35 for this box. It's not bad so far. So let's keep going. Alright, so next up we have, this is by the Milk Makeup. Cute packaging. It says the Kush Lash Primer, Kush Base. What? I think this is mascara. Let's see. Because I don't understand what it's saying. That's what it says. Kush Lash Primer on the back. See that? So let's see. Let's open this up. They got it taped up really good. I'm going to end up breaking this. Gotta cut it open. They got it taped really good. Like, you can't even get into it. Oh, okay. It is a mascara. Oh, and it's a nice size mascara too. But like I said, I have a lot of mascaras right now, so I will not be using this. So I will put this in the giveaway. The box is kind of destroyed, but it is not open. But it's very, very pretty, and it is a mascara. I didn't understand what it said before. And then it does have a before and after picture. I think the box is cute, but they need to have, it needs to be, the wording and stuff needs to be a little better. Because it's just, really just says Kush Lash Primer, and then the rest is just in other languages. So yeah, I'll put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. And next up we have the, ooh, what is this? It says Hands and Feet and Body Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, Milk and Honey. Ooh, look at that. And it's a pretty packaging too. I'm super excited to get this. It's a cuticle oil. And as y'all know, I do my own nails. Because I'm just like, I'm tired of the nail shop. I've been having bad experiences. And then this, you know, stuff happened and we went on lockdown. So I've been doing my own nails and I've been loving them. Been doing my own gel nails. Yes, boo. So this is nice to get a nice little cuticle oil. And I love the shape of it with the little dropper. Oh my goodness. I want to give it a smell. And I'm so shocked that I got a cuticle oil. Oh, it smells so good. So yes, I'm very, very pleased with this because I haven't, yeah, a cuticle oil. I usually get like a nail polish or something. And look how big this is to be a cuticle oil. This is going to last me a long time. So I'm very pleased about that. So the, where is it? The Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil retails for $18. And that's not bad for this size. Like, I would pay that for this size right here. So, I'm really, really pleased. Probably when I run out of this, I will get some more. So, yes. And I did not tell y'all how much the Milk Makeup Mascara was going for. Or Kush Lash Primer. And this is going for $24. It says a lash primer with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for a volumizing base. So this is like a, yeah, so it is a primer, but it's just kind of big to be a primer. And then you put your mascara on top. But yeah, I'll go on and let one of my lucky subscribers get one of this because I don't really need it. And last but not least, we have the Morphe x Manny MUA Glam Palette. Ooh, and I got a palette from Manny, but it's not from Morphe, it's from his brand. I forgot, Lunar Beauty. So I'm excited to see this, and I like the packaging. Look, the purple and the pink. Hello, y'all know I love purple and I love pinks. So let's open this up. It says it comes with 14 shades. So yeah, the packaging is cute, simple. I like that. And let's open it up. Ooh. Yes, beautiful. So it comes with some highlighters. So it comes with a mirror, of course, but I don't want to blind y'all. So it comes with some highlighters. And look at those pretty shades. Oh my gosh, they're very neutral. I'm a neutral gal. But yeah, it's very pretty. I love these pinks and browns in here. Zodiac names. So if you look at the names, they're zodiacs, like Scorpio, Libra, Leo, Gemini. So yes, I'm excited. And the colors that are jumping out at me is Cancer, Fire Witch, and Gamita, if I'm saying that right. So yeah, this is very cute. Would I buy this walking into Morphe and seeing it? No, because I do have palettes that have similar shades, but I will keep this palette because it is pretty and I've been wanting a couple palettes. So yeah, I will keep this one and test it out and give it a try. So I do have some makeup videos coming up because I do have a couple palettes to play with. So stay tuned for that. I'll be playing with this palette and a couple other palettes that I got as well. But yeah, that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Let's see how much this is retailing for. The Morphe x Manny MUA Glam palette is retailing for 20 bucks. So I think this was a really, really good box, especially for $35. I got two palettes. I got one that's really cute. This one's really cute and natural. This one's really cute and natural. The casings, this one's more bougie. This one's not as bougie, but I do like both of them, and I'm going to give them a try. If I don't like them, I'll probably give them to somebody, a friend, a sister, something like that. But I'm going to try those out. The Milk Lash Primer, I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. I do apologize, but I did have to rip the box. But yeah, I already have a lot of mascaras and stuff going on, so I do not need this. So I will put this in a box. And I'm very stoked about the cuticle oil because, like I said, I've been doing my own nails. And, you know, your girl be needing some cuticle oil. And I was about to go buy some, and I'm just so glad. And look how big it is. Like, oh, super nice. And it smells delish. And then this Byroe, B-Y-R-O-E, Bitter Green Essence Toner. I'm excited to try this out, especially it's $95. And yeah, I'm going to be using this in my morning routine to see how it does. And this Nelson's Moisturizing Healing Mask for your hair. Depending on, like I said, if it has silicones and stuff in it, I will not be using it, and I'll just put it in a giveaway, and one of my lucky subscribers can decide if they want to try it or not, and if they don't, they can pass it along as well. But as of right now, I'm not entirely too sure what I'm going to do yet until I do some research on these products, because like I said, I'm not an expert. I don't see anything that says silicone right off the bat, but you know, we got all these other words that mean silicone. So I need to research this, and I'll let you guys know down in the description box if it does or not. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with my box and everything that I got. So comment down below, what did you like out of this month's Boxycharm Premium box. I liked everything. I really hope that I do get to use this, me and my daughter, because this is a pre-treatment. This is like a pre-poo. You do this before you wash your hair, and we do pre-poos. I love doing pre-poos, so I really want to try this out, but don't know yet. But everything else I'm really, really pleased with. So and I only spent $35, and I got a lot of great items, so I am very pleased. So comment down below, what did you like out of this box. But that's all I have for this. That's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to check out my Battle of the Boxes, my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of July, and my Boxycharm box for the month of July. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.